We're going to practice multiplying two binomials together. So for this first example, I know it's a binomial times a binomial because the first parenthesis has two terms and the second parenthesis has two terms. So to multiply two binomials, I'm going to be using distributive property. You start with the leftmost term, which is 3x, and you distribute that to both terms in the second parenthesis. So 3x times x is 3x squared, and then 3x times 2 would be 6x. After you distribute the 3, I'm just going to cross it out because last we need to distribute the -4 to both terms in the second parenthesis. So -4 times x is -4x. -4 times 2 is -8. Now that I have a list of 4 terms, I'm going to look for terms I can combine. I can combine 6x minus 4x, which would be 2x. So I'm going to write my answer in standard form, highest degree to lowest. So I would have 3x squared. Remember, we got 6x minus 4x, which is 2x, and then minus 8. For number 2, we're going to be squaring this binomial. Think of when you square a number like 5. You're multiplying 5 times 5, right? The exponent tells you how many times to multiply that base. So 6x minus 5 squared would be 6x minus 5 times 6x minus 5. So essentially we're going to be distributing like the previous because we have a 2 by 2, so we're applying distributive property starting with the leftmost term, distributing a 6x to both terms in the second parenthesis. 6x times 6x is 36x squared. 6x times -5 is -30x. So I'm done distributing that term, so now I distribute the -5 to both terms. -5 times 6x is -30x, and -5 times -5 is +25. Looking at my list of terms, I check to see if I can combine any, and I notice these middle terms I can combine. -30x minus 30 more would be -60x. So my final answer written in standard form, highest degree to lowest, would be 36x squared, -60x plus 25.